minimum bid price 2 lakhs. Now, don't look at the retention price. We have a maximum bid price only for A plus category and B plus category, which means once the bid price for A category reaches 40 lakhs and there are more than one bidder or more than one team bidding, the deciding factor will be by draw lots. Any questions, any doubts? Which means, let's say we are bidding for an A category player, Nita Singh. His bid price reaches 40 lakhs, Team Navdurga says 40 lakhs, Team Abby says 40 lakhs. पर्ची डलेगी, whoever किसकी पर्ची आई इतना वही हो सकता है. You can't raise it beyond 40 lakhs. Players will come category wise, but category wise will random. Absolutely. Then similarly for B plus, the maximum bid price is 25 lakhs. Beyond that, draw lots. However, the rule changes after that. For B and C category players, you are free to bid. It's an open bid. You can go up to whatever maximum price you can bid up to as a team, depending on the minimum or the maximum balance you have. We will keep on showing you the maximum, the balance out here. But please don't just depend on this. Please have your manual backup as well ready. If there is any difference in this sheet on the screen and your manual sheet, please let us know then and there. No appeal will be entertained later that balance here was incorrect. Please raise your hand at that point in time. Any confusion regarding bidding or any confusion regarding the base price, the players who are unsold get moved to the next category and the price changes accordingly. Alright. Okay, we're coming to that. All 10 players are not mandatorily supposed to be playing. It's supposed to be, it depends on the owner. Mandatorily, 8 players need to play, which is your first 4 matches, which is 1 singles, 2 doubles, and 1 three-a-side. Need 8 players. Those 8 players have to be unique. So, minimum 8 players have to play at least 1 match. 9th and 10th player is on the team owner. You have to take that call as a mature team owner to, I advise, try and make all your players play. Everybody's paid a fees, everybody wants to participate. And this is more of a fun tournament than just a professional tournament. So it's on the team owner. But no compulsion. No compulsion as per rules. Yes, okay, the maximum bid the system will tell you, you just have to add 2 numbers, which is the balance and the minimum selling price. So right now, let's take an example of.
It's a very simple calculation. If you buy everything at base, you're spending 66 lakhs. Right? We are assuming A is at 20. If you buy every category at the base value, you end up spending 66 lakhs. So your balance written down there becomes 34. That's the amount of money you have to over or exceed the bid by that much amount.
What if somebody doesn't buy one next year? Because what if somebody only bids? It's not a good system. You also said we have to be careful what's going on there and what's going on here. If let's say I keep on spending and nobody's going to say that I don't have money left, I can notice.
Okay, it is the team. So I got your question. It's a team responsibility. An illegal bid, if notice taken also, it's a team responsibility. Here, this is a support system for you. Very clear. It's the team's responsibility to do a legal bid. Consequences that TC decided there can go back for rebidding. Those consequences meaning on the TC. This is a support sheet there. You have to be responsible for a legal bid. If you know that you have 21 lakhs, you cannot bid for 22 lakhs. And if you do that, this sheet may tell you a wrong figure, but you are responsible. Nine players. So yes, another point, 9 players, the calculation has happened for 9 players. The 10th player is complementary by draw lots or you pick up if you can. Draw lots. So that's the minimum balance has to be maintained for 9 players, which comes out to anyone. Can you give me that figure?
66 lakhs.
I not shoot please. Non-DC member. 66 lakhs. How can someone please explain the calculation? One player of A category plus minimum 20 lakhs. Two players 12.5, 12.5 is 25 lakhs. 45 lakhs is your total. Three players from B category 15 lakhs, which is 60 lakhs. And three players from C category 2 lakhs each makes it 66 lakhs. So you this पूरा खेल जो है वो 24 लाख का है. 34 lakhs is what you have to play around. And that you can't do in A class and B class as much as you're doing B and C category. Okay, moving on. So the calculation that Raman Bhai was trying to explain, you have to add up the balance amount plus the minimum selling price to get the maximum bid price.
You can take for example also Smile Tree.
Okay, so final three.
If you take two people, right? So they spend 20 lakh extra on A and on B.
Yes.
B they spend 5 lakh extra.
So their balance is 19.5 lakhs. Maximum bid they can go is 39.5 lakhs.
Smiling Tree.
ये अरे मालूम से बात है. Final three में है.
More करते हैं.
9 lakhs is their balance. Maximum they can go for is 29 lakhs. But they want for B plus there is 21.50. Okay.